Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 25th, 2021. Let's start with international news. Indonesia authorities say found missing submarine, all 53 on board dead. A missing Indonesian submarine has been found cracked apart on the sea floor in waters of Bali. The military said Sunday as it confirmed that all 53 crew were dead. They were part of KRI Nangala 402. It was broken into three pieces, said Navy Chief of Staff Yondo Margano. Authorities said that they received a signal from the location more than 800 meters deep early Sunday morning and that they had used an underwater submarine rescue vehicle supplied by Singapore to get visual confirmation. Lead it to protect environment. India, Sweden and America joined hands together and led a scheme called Lead It. Its mission to reduce the emission of carbon dioxide from industries. National news. Demand in oxygen supply. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered to set up 551 oxygen production plant all over India. Justice N.V. Ramana sworn in as 48th Chief Justice of India. Justice N.V. Ramana has been sworn in as the 48th Chief Justice of India. President of India Ramnath Kovind administered the oath of office to Justice Ramana at a ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Justice Ramana took over from former CJI S.A. Bobde, who retired on April 23rd. Justice Ramana is the first judge from Andhra Pradesh High Court to be the Chief Justice of India. He will have the tenure of 1 year, 4 months as CJI and will demit office on August 26, 2022. Justice Ramana was born on August 27, 1957 to agriculture's parent in Ponnavaram village situated in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. Central government rejects Tamil language in translation list. The Tamil language has been ignored in the state government's translation of the new national education policy, which have been published by the central government. This new education policy has been translated in 17 languages such as Kannada, Bengali, Gujarati, Assami, and published for public view. But the Tamil translated copy was missing. Supreme Court Justice Mohan M. Santhanagaudar passes away. He was 62. Justice Santhanagaudar was admitted to the Medanta Hospital due to lung infection and was in the ICU, the source said. The source did not confirm or deny whether the judge was suffering from COVID-19. Justice Santhanagaudar was elevated as the judge of Supreme Court on 17th February 2017. He was born on 5th May 1958 in Karnataka and got himself enrolled as an advocate on 5th September 1980. He was appointed as an additional judge of the Karnataka High Court on 12th May 2003 and became a permanent judge in the court in September 2004. Indore gets country's second largest modern COVID care center. A high-tech COVID care center has been established in Madhya Pradesh commercial capital Indore, which is in the midst of massive coronavirus crisis. With an initial capacity of 600 beds, the facility could enhance to 6,200 beds if needed. The center will cater to the asymptomatic patients based on the recommendation of the Rapid Response Team. The facility based in Bavakuan area sprawls on 45-acre land inside Radha Swami Satsang Bhavan. Rumana Sinha Sehgal won the Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021. Rumana Sinha Sehgal, software engineer turned entrepreneur from Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, won the Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021 by the diplomatic mission Global Peace. She was virtually awarded for her contribution to the field of developing innovation and functional green products by recycling varied materials and non biodegradable materials. Phase 7 excavation of Keeladi on February 13 started. Excavation in 7 places such as Keeladi, Kundagai, Agaram, etc. Here, megalithic pot, bones, skull, black and red colored pot, and food utensils were excavated. Appointments. NASCOM head Rekha M. Menon. The National Association of Software and Services Company has appointed Rekha M. Menon, chairperson and senior managing director at Accenture in India as its chairperson for 2021-22. Menon succeeds U.B. Pravin Rao, Chief Operating Officer Infosys, who served as a chairman of NASCOM for the year 2020 to 21. Important dates. World Veterinary Day 2021. The World Veterinary Day is observed on the last Saturday of April and is celebrated every year to mark the value of veterinary doctors who serve to safeguard animals. Veterinary doctors across the globe work around the clock to enhance the life of animals by offering quality diagnosis and treatment. The practices of animal transport, the safety of food and environment are closely associated with the health of animals according to the World Veterinary Association. Theme of this year: Veterinarian Response to the COVID-19 Crisis. National Panchayat Raj Day. The word Panchayat is made up of two words. Panch means 5 and Ayat means assembly. The Panchayati Raj traditionally refers to form a local governance in India by 5 or more elders of an area to usually settle disputes between individual or villages. The leader of the group is called Mukhya, Sarpanch and or a Pradhan. In 1992, a legislation passed by the parliament gave the institutional backing to the system, with the Panchayat Raj Act 73rd Amendment coming into force on April 24, 1993. States were allowed to take steps to organize village panchayat and give them necessary powers to function as units of self-government. The first National Panchayat Raj Day was celebrated in 2010 on this day, and since then it is an annual affair. World Immunization Week 2021. Theme of this year: Vaccines Bring Us Closer. World Immunization Week, celebrated every year in the last week of April, aims to promote the use of vaccines to protect peoples of all ages against disease. Immunization saves millions of lives every year and is widely recognized as one of the world's most successful health interventions. Expected questions. Question number 1. KRI Nangala 402 submarine was enchanted while training near which island? Answer: Bali Island. Question number 2. What is the name of the project that India and Sweden have developed together with the aim of protecting the environment? Answer: Lead It. Question number 3. How many new oxygen plants have been ordered by Prime Minister Modi to establish? Answer: 551. Question number 4. Where the second largest corona treatment center in the country is to be set up? Answer: Madhya Pradesh, Indore. Question number 5. Which organization to be set up second largest corona treatment center in the country? Answer: Radha Swami Satsang. Question number 6. Who honored for World Humanitarian Award 2021? Answer: Rumana Sinha Sehal. Question number 7. Who has been appointed as a NASCOM head 2021 to 22? Answer: Rekha M. Menon. Question number 8. When was World Veterinary Day observed? Answer: last Saturday of April. Question number 9. What was the theme of World Veterinary Day 2021? Answer: Veterinarian Response to the COVID-19 Crisis. Question number 10. When was World Immunization Week observed? Answer: April 24 to 30. Question number 11. When was National Panchayat Raj Day observed? Answer: April 24. Question number 12. When was National Panchayat Raj Day constituted? Answer 2010. Question number 13. What is the theme of World Immunization Week 2021? Answer. Vaccine brings us closer. Question number 14. When was World Day for Laboratory Animals and Lab Animal Week observed? Answer. April 20 to 26. For the daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.